my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep.
Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. I am really excited for today's super satisfying clean with me. We are tackling my house, which as you can see is a total mess. We actually had company come down and so they stayed for a couple days and I didn't clean obviously like basically at all. I did very minimal and so it is time to catch up. So again, as you can see, my house was a total mess. I'm coming at you with all of the fall deep cleaning motivation. I like to do some really deep cleaning about, I would say 4 times a year, every season or so. And so we are tackling some really good deep cleaning as you saw in the intro. I'm going to be sharing lots and lots of before and after transformations. So stay tuned for those throughout the entire video. Let's go ahead and get started. We are in my master bedroom. As you can see, I've already made my bed and I'm just going ahead and giving all of the wood surfaces a really nice clean using my favorite wood surface cleaner by Method. I would love to know what your definition of deep cleaning is. For me, I would say deep cleaning is not your like everyday cleaning. So, you know, vacuuming and stuff, I wouldn't necessarily consider deep cleaning unless you're like pulling your couches out and getting behind there and that sort of thing. But I find people's definition of deep cleaning, as well as, you know, a messy house in general, is obviously different person to person. But for me, you'll see coming up very shortly the mess that my house was in. And honestly, you guys, it was so gross. I find it so satisfying though to actually be able to see these before and afters. And so when we get to the bathroom here very shortly after I'm done in the master bedroom, you will see how gross it was.
You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on.
Okay, you guys, I can't even believe I'm showing this on camera, but again, we had people come over, and so there was 5 kids in the house, and as you can see, kids are just very messy. So I pulled out the Lysol for this and I just gave the bathroom a very good deep cleaning. Tried to disinfect the area, as again there was lots and lots of kids here and just, you know, germs and that sort of thing. So wanted to go ahead and get it nice and clean. I'm not saying that like the people here were dirty by any means, because that's not what I mean at all. I just mean in general, kids are dirty and messy and gross, and that's just the reality of it. And so here I am giving you some real life pep talks over here as a mama. But if you have kids, then you know what I mean.
Pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my
Alright, you guys, we are moving on into the kitchen, and as you can see, there's not a lot to kind of clean up in here. I just shared with you a pink clay mask by Mary Kay that I am freaking obsessed with right now. It is amazing, and I can have it linked below in the description if you're interested in it. But there's not a lot of like everyday cleaning to do in here. Again, I really wanted to kind of deep clean the house, but before we get into some deep cleaning here in the kitchen, I wanted to just organize this Tupperware cabinet. I had mentioned I was gonna do it a while ago, and it just needed like a little quick pick me up. One of the tips that I have to keep your house tidy is to work on a task, one extra task a day for like literally 5 minutes. I think this took me like minutes to complete, and so it feels so good to get it done. But then we are gonna go on and get into some deep cleaning here. I have some incredible before and afters coming up, so stay tuned.
She pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet 'cause
I am using the Tide powder mixture in today's video to deep clean my house. I absolutely love this method. It's just like a tablespoon of Tide powder and then really hot water. You can also add in some bleach. However, I couldn't find my bleach, so I skipped that part in today's video.
wrong, 'cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I go by to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing down. I'm 99.5 of all the love that we've got. I'm 99.5 of all the love that we've got. I'm 99.5 of all the love that we've got. I'm trying to calm down and get you real up high. The scale is running wild, it's heavy on my side. I'm throwing things at you, but nothing seems to stick. I'm swimming round your aisle, think I'm losing my grip. Oh, I'm trying to hold on. Gotta keep on keeping on, 'cause I'm weighing us down.
Okay, you guys, I think I used like 3 or 4 buckets of the Glow Killing Co method to clean my kitchen in today's video, between the backsplash, the cabinets, the windowsill. I do the floors really soon here. Like, it was absolutely insane how dirty just the high traffic areas get. You'll notice when I clean my cabinets, maybe you don't notice, but I do focus a lot on like the handles and stuff and just around that area. It's hard to tell from afar, but up close it gets really dirty just with fingerprints and stuff, with my girls like, you know, touching everything. And so yeah, I do try and get in that area. The girls are constantly touching the cabinets, obviously. I mean, they're kids. And so yeah, when I'm wiping them down, I do like to really focus there to give them a nice clean. And I actually swear by this Go Clean Co method for my cabinets. It is incredible. With them being white, they get really dirty. They show the dirt a lot. And so it's a really good method to use when cleaning in your kitchen.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone, I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you although you drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. You'll be the death of me still, you're my medicine. Yeah, I need you, you light
So again, I'm using the Go Clean Co method on my floors as I did with the cabinets, but I don't know why I swept in today's video. I'm kind of finding like a new love for sweeping as I still don't have a cordless vacuum. We don't really have a place to put it in this house. I had looked into it and I was like, I don't even know where I'm gonna keep the dang thing. And so I think I might hold off until we buy a house and then just kind of get one then, because sweeping works. And then this is my robot vacuum and what it picked up today on top of me sweeping. Like, it's just insane how much this thing picks up. And so yeah, that's kind of why I have held off and I haven't purchased one yet, but I'm just going ahead now and wiping the countertops using my method cleaner in the sea salt and lime. This is a multi-purpose spray, but I also wanted to share with you guys, you can see in the background there's those little fall pumpkins that I am absolutely obsessed with. I made them using chalk couture. If you are interested in them, just let me know in the comments and I will see what I can kind of figure out. You'll notice the other fall decoration here coming up I also made using chalk couture, so it was super fun. My mom and I did it when I was back in my hometown, and so I had to share that with you guys. But yeah, if you are still watching today's video, I would love if you could leave your favorite fall emoji down in the comments or a Halloween emoji, and I just appreciate you all so much. So I also wanted to quickly share these cereal containers that I got off of Amazon. I will have those linked below. But that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and it gave you motivation. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Is that what you want me to do?